Okay, this is the keyboard. I've been having a lot of issue with the typing. Keys are typing repeatedly without me even typing. The delete function is not working. Delete. See? It's really slow in reacting. Okay. Stop. See, I'm not even typing. I try to disconnect, reconnect the Bluetooth again. It just keeps doing that so randomly. It's so frustrating. Sometimes it just wouldn't work at all. I'm gonna try to type again. Here is what. See, I hit the spacebar once, but you see how it jumps? What is okay, see, I'm not even typing. I mean, not hit too hard maybe.